Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is episode number 2 in my How to Home series. I thought this would be a fun way for me to get some work done throughout my house and bring you guys along with me. If you missed it, be sure to check out the first video of this series where I painted my tile floors and let me know what you think. I hate long intros, so let's jump right into it. Today's video is going to be all about painting cabinets. So the first step that I'm going to be doing is giving these a super good clean. Okay, I'm going in with my TSP. I'm taking some gloves, I'm gonna put those on. And I'm gonna remove all of this hardware first. I'm not gonna be salvaging that. I already sanded this. I just gave it a super light sanding with this sanding block. So I just gave it a nice sand, and now I'm gonna wipe it off with some with a washcloth with water. I'll let that kind of make sure it's dry, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my paintbrush, and I'm gonna try and paint that. So I just want to show you guys what I'm doing right now. That is after the final coat. I'm gonna go in, this is after one coat, and I'm going to sand this with a 180 grit sandpaper. I just picked this up from Target. So I'll be sanding this, and basically why I'm doing that is just if there's any little imperfections, if like a piece of hair or dust got trapped in the paint, that'll take that right off, and just to give it a more clean look. That's what I just did with this one right here. So that is just freshly painted. Okay guys, so a quick update of kind of where we are now. So I think I forgot, or my camera stopped recording whenever I was painting the actual frame of my cabinet. And so I just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown of what I did and the method that I used. Here's what I'm talking about. So I would have just taken a brush and gone along here, give that a good swipe, and then again, some of these like tinier spots, so like right here, I would have used a brush and just take that all the way down, and you would tape off this part right here. tape off this right here. Use your brush to go down here. You can take off all of these pieces to make it easier. And then for these bigger parts, so right here down the middle, you would just be able to use your brush. For the floor, you just tape this part off right here. Take your brush and you can just go and get that pretty easily. Again, there are some spots that you're not going to be able to get with your brush because it won't fit. So if you have a roller brush that's small enough to fit in underneath there, then you can use that. But if not, just use your paintbrush and you'll be able to get that. Same thing here. You can see that's the inside of the cabinet. And I just used my brush and went through here. So you just kind of have to pick and choose when you're able to use the brush versus the roller in a situation like this. In some spots you're going to be able to use the brush, other spots the roller. Just depends on how much space that you have. I finished doing the first, or is the second? I think this may actually be the second layer. I believe my camera stopped recording. There's a couple of spots right here where it looks like the paint just didn't quite set, or it's a little more rough. And you can see that right there. So I'm actually going to sand that down and then give that another quick paint. It could have been I just had too much paint on my roller. So like I said, I'm going to go around, I'm going to sand some of those more rough spots. This side, you can see I kind of got a little, I got a little paint on the wall over there. Let me see if that will find some focus there. And so I'm going to end up having to go back over that with probably either the wall paint and like a smaller brush. I just didn't have a small brush on me at the time. So as you guys can see, I made a pretty good mess along the edge of this wall. So now I'm just taking my brush again and I'm going to go in with my wall paint and I'm going to fix that up because the tape was not working. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the first video in my How to Home series where I paint my tile floor. I think you guys will really enjoy it, and you could do both of these projects easily in one weekend and give your bathroom an awesome update. I hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy in this time, and I send all my love to all of you. Thanks guys.